Section 4. How to interlink a new alarm to the existing group. Make sure each alarm is switched on, an existing group interlinked before operation. To test, press any device once all the alarms will flash and beep for 10 seconds. If any alarms did not sound, which means it may not interlinked or faulty, link the group before pairing. Take one of alarm from the group, press and hold the test button, wait for LED flash 3 times, and then release button immediately. The red LED will flash rapidly for 60 seconds. Restart the device if made error. Next, press and hold the test button on the new device for LED flash 2 times and release button immediately. Then the device red LED flash 3 times slowly. This means alarm has interlinked successfully with the group. To test, press any device once. All other devices will flash and beep. We recommend that you test once a week to ensure the fire alarms are in full working order.